quick look at a LEBLOND 4025 heavy duty engine lathe. This machine has hard ways, and the 4025 heavy duty has super wide 35-inch wide bedways. Just a super rugged construction machine. The cross slide and carriage has rapid traverse in 4 directions. Take a look at the size of the quill on this unit. How big is it? 8-inch diameter quill, heavy duty tailstock. This unit is equipped with a independent 4-jaw faceplate type chuck. The machine comes equipped with 2 real heavy duty roller type steady rests. I'm showing a picture of the smaller of the 2 at the moment.
14 and 25.
I'm told that they're 14-inch and 25-inch steady rests. This is a shot of the larger of the 2 steady rests available for the machine. The 4025 heavy duty has a 3-inch spindle bore. This is a heavy duty machine for a reason. This is 75 horsepower machine. The heft of this heavy duty LEBLOND really shows in the carriage. The carriage spans 47 inches on the ways and has 12 inches of ways on the cross slide. Just a super heavy duty machine.
Move this out. I can be able to shift this down. See that hospital.
What speed is that? 31 R.P.M. That's 91 R.P.M. And that's up in the 350 RPM range. Machine has a maximum spindle speed of 600 RPM. This LEBLOND 4025 heavy duty lathe is available to be seen under power by appointment. Please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com.